Alright, so in this video, I'm going to share with you how my development journey has changed over the years with the upcoming of AI. So I think the big breakthrough was about 2022 when ChatGPT 3.5 came out. And since then, there was like a big increase, especially with chatbots, like all the talking you could slowly automate. And for that development, there was a bit, but not really a lot because there were a lot of things that could go wrong. But slowly over the months, slowly over the years, and especially the last couple of months, every month there's so much going on. There's so much new stuff happening. Like you can work way and way more efficient. So how it has changed over the years is I started in my case with Bubble. I started with Glide, tools that mostly were low code or actually no code for the front end. I think Glide also has like a back end. Anyway, bit by bit, I started diving more into actual development by working with Xeno, for example, where you have like a lot of low code and no code. But if you need something that actually scales and if you have like some specific job, you could connect to it. So, for example, I connected AWS or I connected the Google ecosystem to it for like Lambdas or Google BigQuery for Google Cloud Storage, that kind of stuff. So if you need like the scalable stuff, you could easily connect to that. So you have like the best of both worlds. You can have something simple and visual like the Xano function stack, but then you can connect the heavy tools. So that's how it worked before. And now slowly and slowly it's starting to go more to AI developments where it's more like only using Google Cloud because the no code and the low code, it works, but it's like a layer on top of the actual code. So you have like these specific type of ways you have to work. And instead, I mean, that works when you work visually, but for AI, it's trained on the big languages. So in this case, Python is a big one. That's how I usually work with Lambdas or with Google Cloud One. So for that, it's way easier to use AI in combination with that instead of using AI to work with Xeno. So bit by bit, it's slowly moving more to actual code where the low code and the no code is replaced by AI. So actually like AI is the new low code and the new no code, if you can call it like that. So that is how my work has been influenced, especially the backend work. For the front end, I switched from Bubble, where I started with, to Wemap, where you have like a bit, it's a bit like Xeno, but then for the front end. So you have like a bit for like no code, and you can also extend with it on top of it with other codes, like, yeah, pretty much like JavaScript, HTML, CSS. And there's a lot of custom things that you can do with it. They're very good, but right now AI is the new low code and no code. So you move so much faster by just working with AI, especially if you get used to it. It might be or it might look like very scary at first, but once you dive a bit into it, things are definitely way easier and you are definitely way faster than you were before. At least that's for myself. So if you have any questions about it, if you would like to see some other videos where I do more like this style, let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next one.